Okay, so kita sambung pula. Kita berada dekat event Aprilia. So model yang terbaru iaitu Rs457. It's finally here. So yang ni RS4, yang ni 660 dan yang tu adalah 457 yang terbaru. So ini adalah adik-beradik Aprilia lah. Okay, bermula dengan sisi besar, pertengahan dan juga kecil lah. Okay, 457. So belum launching lagi, tapi dia orang dah ada display. Jadi kita tengok berapa harga dan juga spek-spek yang ada dekat Aprilia 457 ni. Jom.
Review of the Aprilia Rs457. But before we continue, let's invite Mr. Juan Chawi, Director of Premium, to share a few words with us. Here you go.
Okay. Hello, testing. Thank you very much, everybody. Like I told the team, let's do this program so we don't drag it today. ETA, according to IAT, Lorenzo is coming at 5:20. Alright? So we don't want to spare any moment, so we now editing. Right. Today I'd like to thank everybody for coming today. We were supposed to launch the 457 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, for circumstances, there was a slight delay. Right? This is the product coming into the shores, coming into Malaysia, and I'd like to thank my team. They worked tirelessly to get this product today to launching. I believe IAT was saying on Friday, boss, can we launch the bike now? It was still stuck at the port, but finally it is here officially. Alright, so that's why one of the bike we could see is still the stainless steel frame is still with a metal. Alright, so that is one of the areas that these bikes are fresh to Malaysian shores. The Aprilia 457 stays true to the pedigree of its racing heritage. What we have Aprilia Racing. If you all notice outside the three bikes outside, one is an RS4, one is an RS660, the other one is the 457. But when you look at the front, you can't really tell the difference between the three machines. So they really stay true to the Italian way. Okay? This is built by Italian, not in any joint venture. It is pure Aprilia technology. Alright? I believe Zol will go through the product in a short while, where this product will come from, what is in this product. Right? It's essentially beyond skin deep. It is a race pedigree machine. Now at a very, very affordable price for Malaysians. We are very proud to have this product featured in all our 5 motorplexes nationwide. So this bike is actually sold only at what you have today called Motorplex. Motorplex is actually a house of Motor Guzzi, Aprilia and Vespa. Alright, so these 5 dealerships that we have, from the likes of PJ, alright, from the likes of Penang, Sungai Buloh, Johor, Georgetown coming up soon. Alright, maybe the part is that I will introduce the team. Mr. Eugene for Motorplex PJ.
Round of applause, everybody!
We'll start the formality first before we go to product. Mr. Singh from Bfull. Okay, Eugene is also Motorplex JV, by the way. So PJ, JV, anything is all again under the Telagamas community. Mr. Singh, as well, I believe Wendy. Is Wendy come? Alright, this is from Wendy Sungai Buloh. The boss cannot make it because later I think some of you got the invitation. Okay? But nevertheless, it's an Italian, what we have is heritage. Alright, today we are here, the 457 with the specs of what we have. I think this is a fantastic machine. You can buy from any one of our official dealers. Alright, this machine is available. We are proud to say the first batch of the 457 that arrived are all fully sold out. Okay, it's all fully sold out, done. Confirmed deals done. We're going to start deliveries in the month of November, some of the customers are here waiting. They've been pressuring us when we're going to see the bike. So it was not only the pressure of cancelling the program, it was also the part that fulfilling customers. So the first batch, almost 40 bikes.
Miss Jessie Lee, come announce your price.
Miss Jessie Lee, where are you?
So we have two specs, one is the standard and one is the racing spec. So as for the standard spec, the price in the market, the RRP price is 33,900. For the racing one, with the upgrade of the body sticker, etc., it will be the 35,900. Body price, murah saja.
Okay, this is an affordable Italian machine. Finally, we have an Italian pedigree Aprilia machine. I think some of you will say, when we launched the RS660, the price is rather high. We are glad now the 457 comes at a 33,900.
Hi, Mr. Lorenzo, how are you? First of all, I need your photography. Picture, bro. You are taking videos. Round of applause, everybody! To the Aprilia racing team in MotoGP. Okay, before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to review a video showcasing this remarkable machine.
Okay geng, so selesai sudah pelancaran Aprilia Rs457 yang terbaru daripada Aprilia Malaysia. Baru sebentar tadi di launching ataupun dirasmikan. Jadi dekat luar ni pun ada satu unit untuk di review lah. Okay, so jom kita tengok dulu dia punya spek-spek yang ada dekat motosikal ni. Kita buat quick review sahaja. Okay, so macam biasa kita start dengan enjin dahulu. So enjin bersasaran 457cc horsepower 47.6 horsepower dekat 9400 rpm. So dia punya torque 43.5 Nm of torque pada 6700 rpm. Untuk bahagian clutch pula dia datangkan dengan 6 speed gear. So dia ada multiple wet clutch dan juga dia datangkan dengan sistem slipper clutch. Akan tetapi motosikal ni dia tak ada quick shifter. Untuk bahagian quick shifter kena tambah RM359 untuk 50 orang yang terawal. So itu harga yang Aprilia Malaysia bagi untuk model ni. Okey, so kalau kita tengok daripada luaran, dia punya design dia sporty design lah. Okey, so dia punya design memang sangat-sangat sporty, macam R15 tapi besar sikit. So kalau kita tengok dekat dia punya frame, dia pakai aluminium frame lah. Nampak pakai aluminium frame, dual aluminium frame kiri dan kanan. Kita tengok pula bahagian suspension. So suspension bahagian hadapan dia pakai USD fork, upside down fork 41mm 41mm. So boleh adjust preload. So untuk bahagian belakang pula dia pakai monoshock, pun boleh adjust juga, adjustable preload monoshock. Untuk suspension daripada luaran aku tengok okey lah, boleh adjust, nice lah. Untuk sistem brake pula geng, okey, so dekat bahagian hadapan ni dia pakai 320mm floating disc So dia menggunakan floating disc. Brake caliper daripada Bfull, 4 piston radial caliper. Untuk bahagian belakang pula, saiz dekat bahagian belakang ni 220mm. Dia pakai juga caliper daripada, tapi yang ni dia pakai single piston lah. Okey, untuk bahagian belakang single piston dah cukup dah aku rasa. Untuk tayar belakang dia pakai saiz 150/60 ZR 17 inci lah. Okey, ZR 17. So tayar ni daripada Euro Grip. Dekat bahagian depan pula dia pakai saiz, dekat bahagian depan dia pakai saiz apa ni, 110/70 nampak 110/70. So bahagian depan dia pakai saiz 110/70. Okey, so untuk seat height, dia punya seat height 800mm. So bagi aku tak tinggi sangat lah. Untuk rider-rider yang muda-muda yang tak tinggi sangat, 800mm ni consider as okay lah. Untuk tank capacity 13 liter. Bagi aku untuk CC 450 12 ke 13 liter dah cukup dah aku rasa. Okey. Dah boleh cover dalam 200 lebih kilometer. Itu kalau tak full throttle lah. Kalau full throttle saya tak sampai 200 pun. Untuk berat motor ni pula, berat dia 175 kg so dia punya berat taklah berat sangat pun. Okey lah bagi aku. Okey, so dia datangkan juga dengan meter TFT TFT meter daripada Aprilia. Lampu depan dia pakai LED, full LED di bahagian depan, dan juga lampu dia bahagian belakang pun sama, dia pakai LED juga geng. So okey, kita tengok lebih dekat dia punya meter. Okey, so ini dalam mode eco. So dia ada riding mode juga. Ni mode dia. Ada belah kanan. Berapa susah. So dia boleh tukar eco, rain dengan sport. Itu dia. So kita tengok bunyi Okey geng, so dah habis pelancaran untuk hari ni. Motosikal daripada Aprilia dan juga motosikal daripada Triumph. So selesai alhamdulillah. Kita punya event dah habis. So apa macam? Untuk motosikal Aprilia, apa komen anda? Cuba berkomen dekat bawah. Menarik ke tak menarik? Kan, harga yang ditawarkan pun boleh kata affordable juga. Dan katanya untuk first batch dah habis. So yang mana second batch, third batch, standby geng. Alright. So kita jumpa lagi di next video insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum, bye bye, ciao. Yeah.